How to download the Eclipse IDE for your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Eclipse IDE for your Windows 11 computer system. So the first thing that you need to do is head on towards any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser of your choice. So for the sake of this particular demonstration, I will be using the Google Chrome. So simply open the web browser that you have chosen and search for Eclipse IDE download. And once you have searched for this exact term, simply hit the enter button and you can see the following search results. Now the first search result that says Eclipse downloads the Eclipse Foundation is from the website www.eclipse.org. So this is the official website for the Eclipse IDE. So click onto this first link by eclipse.org and this will lead you to the official Eclipse website. Now from here you can see that in this web page you will need to scroll down, and from here you have the option to install your favorite desktop IDE packages. So from here you can click onto this download button and then you can either choose to download for the x86 or 64 architecture. So this will work on both the 32 and the 64 bit of Windows, and then this one is for the arc 64 architecture. So since my system is a 64-bit architecture Windows system, I'm gonna choose the first option. And once I will do this, you can see the download button right here. So simply click onto this download button and here you can see that the download has been successfully started for the Eclipse IDE. The download is around 157 megabytes, and once the download of this particular installation will be completed, then we will be able to install the Eclipse IDE using this installer. So let us wait for the installer to get download. So here you can see that the download has been successfully completed and we have opened the installer for the Eclipse IDE, and here you can see that the Eclipse IDE installer is starting, and from here you have the option to choose according to your development. So it gives us the option for Java, C, C++, embedded C, C++, PHP, Eclipse committers, for RCP, and even for Scout developers. So let me choose the Eclipse IDE for C or C++ developers. So once I have done this, you can see that it is showing me the folders where it will get installed, and also there are options to create start menu and desktop shortcut. So once you are done with this, simply click onto this install button and here is the software user agreement that you need to click onto this accept now, and then you can see that the Eclipse IDE is currently being installed. So we'll let us wait for the installation to get finished, after which we will try to access the application itself. Also, if you want to see the details of this particular application, you can click onto this details option and it will lead you to the official website where you can find about this particular instance of the Eclipse IDE. So as here you can see that the installation for the Eclipse IDE for C, C++ has been successfully completed. So we are gonna click onto this launch button to launch the IDE, and here you can see that the IDE is starting up, and from here it says to select a directory as workspace. So you may also choose to have this particular directory as the default directory if you want, or if you want to change this directory you can click onto this browse button. So I'm gonna leave it to the default settings and then click onto this launch button. And once I will do this, you can see that it says starting Eclipse IDE. So let's wait for it to launch. And just after a few seconds, you can see the Eclipse IDE has been successfully installed, and a message appears that says Microsoft Defender exclusion check. So if you want to exclude the Eclipse IDE from the Microsoft Defender, then you can choose the first option, but if you don't want to exclude it, you can click onto this second option. I'm gonna click onto the second option for better privacy, and then click onto this proceed option, and from here you can see the interface of the Eclipse IDE in your Windows 11. So that's how easily you can download and install the Eclipse IDE in your Windows 11 computer system. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving us a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.